if you want to live in the first high-rise building in Sangotedo, then watch this video now. Gracias Peridot Heights. It's going to be an off-plan project. This simply means that we are starting the project from the scratch. Now, why it's good to buy an off-plan project is that you'll be getting it at a discounted price, and if you intend to sell, you'll be making a lot of money by the end of the project, because as the project progresses, the value of that property is going to increase. So currently a 2-bedroom apartment goes for 19.9 million naira. A 3-bedroom flat with BQ for 22.9 million naira. A 3-bedroom maisonette plus BQ plus a mini BQ for 32.9 million naira, and a 3-bedroom maisonette with a larger BQ for 34.9 million naira. Now, to key into this, all you have to do is make an initial deposit of 3 million naira and you are in.